This is a factory KTM flat track race bike right here. Reigning national champion. He was out there in practice absolutely sending it. I couldn't believe how fast they were going around that little short track. Can't wait to see this thing in action tomorrow and Friday. They'll be banging bars on the short track. Just a beautiful, beautiful bike. Look at that thing. Factory KTM. Just beautiful. Sponsored by Red Bull and KTM. How's it going on the short track out there? What do you do to set it up for the short track? It's such a small track.
For him, it's going to be just mostly gearing right now.
Gearing, yep.
Yep. And then got a little tweaking on the suspension.
On a track this short, is it more rider than bike at that point? Because there's so much of a, I mean, you can't really even open the bike up.
Yeah, but it just depends on how the track's going to develop too. Like, so we'll see kind of what it's going to do later today.
Get the whole shot and stay out front, right?
Yeah, right. Stay
well,
clean.
good luck to you.
Thank you.
Bikes look on point, just beautiful. First race of the season. They're fresh out of the shop, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful bikes. Good luck, guys.